Hi guys, welcome to my channel Beauty Made Easy. In this video I am going to prepare face pack for those who have extremely dry skin. This face pack heavily moisturizes the skin, and even after washing the face pack off, you will feel your face is extra nourished and glowing. Without any further delay, let's jump into the video. But before that, do subscribe to my channel to get updated on all my 100% natural home remedies. After pressing the subscribe button, do press the bell icon to receive notification whenever I upload a new video, and it is absolutely free. For the ingredients, you will need a carrot, almond oil and curd. Wash the carrot and grate it using a grater. Stop grating when you have got approximately 1 tablespoon of carrot. To this, add 1 tablespoon of curd and half a tablespoon of almond oil. Mix the ingredients well until you see the oil is mixed well with the other 2 ingredients. When done, apply this face pack onto your face. Do not apply this around your eyes. After applying, make sure you sit at one place until it dries, or else the face pack will chip off. Let the face pack be there for 20 minutes. After that, take a cotton pad and remove the face pack using it, and then wash it off with cool water. Carrots are rich in antioxidants, which is helpful in curing acne and pimple marks. It is extremely useful for dry skin as it nourishes the skin. Curd also moisturizes and rejuvenates the skin. It reduces wrinkles, fine lines, and fights acne, fights blemishes and pigmentation. The moisturizing property of almond oil helps to cure irritation of skin, moisturize the skin to give a healthy glow. Almond oil is absolutely safe to use even on sensitive skin types. It helps your skin to look soft, smooth, and free from fine lines. It prevents acne breakouts because of its high vitamin A content. It retains moisture that helps to fight the signs of aging. If you apply this face pack regularly, you will not need any artificial moisturizers for your face. Apply this every single day and see your skin glowing like magic. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.